So now guys, and now in today's video, I'm giving you a homework and this is a exercise 11, and in this exercise 11, I give you an exercise of drink water reminder. So this is your exercise 11. So now, and when your exercise will be done, so I will give you a shout out in next video or another or tomorrow video. I will be give you exercise. I will be give you a shout out to those people who will solve this exercise. If you solve this exercise, so please comment me in this video. I have solved it. Then I will give you a shout out, and I will be tell you one more thing. If you build any e-commerce website, gym website, anything, so please contact on me contact on my Gmail, and my Gmail is codewithrayan1235@gmail.com. So please contact on that, and please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel and gym website. All thing I will be build it for you and do a very low price. Okay, so please like this video, share friends, and if you're new on my channel, so first of all subscribe it and all the notification bell. This is must be all the notification bell, and I will be uploading a latest video, a big video of result clone. So see that video also. So now I will not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I'm giving you exercise 11, drink water reminder. And this is a very beautiful and interesting exercise, and I will be give you homework, and in next video I will give you shout outs and to the peoples, and please comment me like I have done this work, so then I will give you a I will be give you a shout out. So what is problem statement? You write a Python program, so which reminds you of drinking water every hour or two. Your program can either beep or send desktop notification for a specific operating system. That means like you write a program, Python program, which remind you every day, every hour or two. Every hour it remind you will be drink water. And you can program either beep or like it will send you a desktop notification, and here you will be give a desktop notification or that or for a specific operating system. So this is your exercise 11 drink water reminder. Okay, so this is exercise 11 and you do it, and then I will give you a shout out, and I will be tell you one more thing else, like you have made like anything, you made like e-commerce website, gym website, should contact me on my Gmail, and my Gmail is, let me tell you, my Gmail is that code with it Ryan1235 this is my Gmail. So please contact me, and I will be give you into the low price. I will build it for you that, okay? And please, when we all thing discuss on Gmail and all thing, okay? So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share friends, and if you're new on my channel, so subscribe my channel and on the notification bell. Then go on to the YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK, and then go to here, so subscribe and all the notification bell. And this big video I will be uploaded like this, build a razor clone. So please see this video, then go on to the playlist and go on to my Python tutorial with project playlist and access it and bookmark it and see my all videos. Okay, and here you can share from here, and you will copy link and paste onto the Facebook and anything. Okay, so this is my very this is my channel, and here and this my channel I will be also give you my Facebook and Twitter all thing links, so follow me on that also. So now I meet you next class, and next very amazing class of Python or Python project, and now onwards the two project will come, then tutorial, two project, then tutorial, two project, then one tutorial. Okay, so now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python. So for today, goodbye.